Nakaye, something like that. Nakaye, something along those lines. So right now we're in a copper mine that was later worked for fluorite. You can see why it was worked for fluorite, because there is fluorite everywhere. But I was just looking at these rock walls that have built up as pillars to hold up the rock from falling on the heads. As you can see, there's a whole bunch of loose rock all over the place, so we're going to be super careful not to touch anything. So there is some fluorite with some blue, which is probably going to be copper over here in this start of a stope. You can actually see it right there. Yep, so nice blue. This is all fluorite right here. You'll see right there. But again, look how soft this rock is, and this is just gonna fall at any time. Which would be good if you're trying to get some ores out. It would be bad if you're under it. So we were just in that little room with the stope. This is the other side of the stope. So they've just taken massive amounts of ore from inside of here. And Corey brought up a good point. He wasn't sure if, was this all rock to build up the pillars, or was it just so they didn't have to take it all out? Hard to say without talking to whoever did it and why they did it. Right there, legit pillar. So they left a little bit of the rock in place to support the rest of it.
For more information, go visit our website, goldrushexpeditions.com. We'll see you at the next site.